Welcome. Today in front of me Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and I'll show you how to check Android version on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. Here, as can you see, we got the about phone, tap there, and as can you see here we got the Android version section. In my case that's Android 8.1, and when you keep tapping you can open the Easter egg of Android 8. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.